A big warm welcome to KABOOM Machines for sending in 2 entries into VanTastic, happening after Road Warriors Season 3. We have the first one here, is called King of Hearts Van. Yeah man, this has got some nice weight in it. As I've said before, this will happen after Road Warriors Season 3. And look at the wheel spin, very nice indeed. We'll put this down the track and see how she goes. This has a driver, and this is from KABOOM Machines. And I love the look of this paramedic, pandemic. Yes, we are in a pandemic. I love the look of this, mate. It's very well built, and I'm looking forward to seeing how this goes on MWR. This is built by KABOOM Machines. So let's put them down the track and see how they go. A big thank you to KABOOM Machines for sending in your 2 entries into VanTastic. I really appreciate this, mate. It's a big effort to send it into Australia. It's here on MWR. You're going to be racing very soon after Road Warriors Season 3. It may be on this track or the new track. I'm just not too sure yet. So thanks again for your support, and until next time, catch you later.